look, here is x into 3 minus x divided x square plus 3x minus 10 plus x minus 1 divide x plus 5. Here is two fraction 1 and 2, and we have to make this one single denominator. So what can we do? First, this one we can write like this: x into 3 minus x. You just keep this one, and denominator this fraction x square plus 3x minus 10, we can factorize this one by middle term factor. So x square plus 5x minus 2x minus 10. Look, here is 5 and 2 is a coefficient of x. If we multiply 5 and 2, we will get 10, and 5x minus 2x, it will become plus 3x. It means 5 minus 2, it means 3. And here also plus x minus 1 x plus 5, and here is x plus 5 minus 2 common, also x plus 5, and here is what? X 3 minus x, still we keep this one, plus x minus 1, and divided x plus 5. Now look, here is x plus 5 into x minus 2, and this one, now we can write this one 3x minus x square, and here is x minus 1 divided x plus 5. Now these two fraction we make single denominator, so we have to find out the LCD. LCD means least common denominator. Here is x plus 5, here is x minus 2, and here is x plus 5. So LCM is x plus 5 and x minus 2. So here is both one, so we can write here 3x minus x square plus, if we divide x plus 5 into x minus 2 by x plus 5, we will get x minus 2. So here is x minus 1 into x minus 2. Till hope you understand everything. Now look, here is x plus 5 and x minus 2. So here is 3x minus x square plus, look, here is x into x, it means x square minus 2x, and again minus x, minus and minus, plus 2. So we can write here, here is minus x square and plus x square out, and here is minus 2x and minus x, it means this one, if we combine, we will get minus 3x. So 3x and minus 3x also out, so only here we get 2 and divided x plus 5 into x minus 2. This is our answer. It's not hard math, but interesting math. In dice and algebraic manipulation is a very important things, and express the fractions with a single denominator, also a very important part of algebra. Hope you understand this one. If you have any question, just put on your comments in comments box. Our fraction is x plus 5 divided x square minus 6x minus 3 divided x minus 6. Let's start. So we are start like this. Here is x plus 5, and this one x square minus 6s, we take common x, we will get x minus 6 minus 3 divide x minus 6. So look here, for single denominator we will make a LCD, which is a least common denominator. So x into x minus 6 and x minus 6, this LCM is x minus 6. So if we divide divide, we will get 1 into x plus 5 means x plus 5 minus, if we divide x into x minus 6 divide by x minus 6, we will get only x, so x into 3, 3x. So we can write here x into x minus 6, and here is 5 minus 2x. So this is our answer. Hope you understand this one. This video we are going to solve another math. Let's start.